Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us. It's an exciting day here with Island Packet. We're going to be out sailing the 42 motor sailor for the first time. This is hull number 1 that we're on board, and our owners will be here in a few days. So continue to watch and we'll see how this goes. God bless. Well, it's an exciting day for Island Packet and myself. As you guys know, Leslie and I sold a motor sailor in order to buy Island Packet. And so this is kind of our 42-foot motor sailor that we plan on going sailing on. I can't tell you how excited I am. I'm not a guy who shows excitement very much, but I'm excited. All right, so we're going to deploy him in the main while Jerry drives. We're just a little bit off the wind. Breeze is pretty much on our about 10 degrees off our starboard bow. And we're going to push the main out button. I've got the jib sheet loose. All right, she stopped automatically. That means we're good. Jerry, you can fall off either way. Yeah, I think, if I took my shoes off, I'd be more comfortable to steer with my feet. There we go. So we've got 6 knots of wind, and we're making 2.5 to 3. 5, 5/8, 6/2, 5/8. So this is exactly half the parent wind speed, and honestly, what I've told people that the Island Packets with the main and the jib would sail all the time. This is the speed, honestly, that you'd be doing with the main, the jib, and the staysail on the legacy boats. And I rode the legacy boats for over 20 years, and before I take people on a sea trial, I would tell them that we're about half the parent wind speed forward the beam. We're making 3/3/1 with 6 knots. So nothing surprising here. In fact, I'm real happy. Can't you tell?